Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Mike. Today we will talk about how to use your fingers correctly. In intimate situations, using hands effectively can significantly enhance the experience for both partners. Understanding female anatomy and pleasure is crucial, as it allows for a deeper connection and more fulfilling encounters. Many people hold misconceptions about intimacy, often believing that it solely revolves around traditional methods. However, this session aims to debunk those myths and provide practical techniques that can elevate your intimate moments. By focusing on the nuances of touch and the unique responses of the female body, viewers will gain valuable insights that can transform their approach to intimacy. Prepare to explore new dimensions of pleasure and connection that go beyond the ordinary. Fingers possess unique capabilities that make them exceptional tools for intimate touch. Their dexterity allows for a wide range of sensations, from gentle caresses to more focused stimulation, adapting to the preferences of your partner. Biologically, the female body is highly responsive to touch, with numerous nerve endings concentrated in sensitive areas, making the right kind of stimulation crucial for pleasure. Understanding how to use fingers correctly can significantly enhance intimacy, creating a deeper emotional and physical connection. By exploring various techniques and being attuned to your partner's responses, you can unlock new levels of satisfaction and intimacy, fostering a more fulfilling experience for both partners involved. Fingering is often misunderstood as merely a precursor to intercourse, but it can be a deeply pleasurable experience in its own right. Many myths suggest that it lacks significance, yet for many women, it can be a primary source of pleasure. It's essential to recognize that responses to touch can vary widely among individuals. What feels good for one person may not for another. This variability underscores the importance of patience and understanding in intimate moments. Rather than rushing or relying on speed and force, taking the time to explore and communicate can lead to more satisfying experiences. Embracing this approach fosters a deeper connection and enhances overall intimacy. The emotional and biological connection during intimacy plays a vital role in enhancing the overall experience. When partners feel emotionally safe, it creates an environment where physical pleasure can flourish. This sense of security allows individuals to relax and fully engage in the moment, leading to heightened sensations and satisfaction. Being attentive to a partner's needs is crucial. Understanding their desires and boundaries fosters trust and deepens the bond. Rather than fixating on performance or specific outcomes, viewers are encouraged to prioritize connection. By focusing on the shared experience and emotional intimacy, partners can cultivate a more fulfilling and enjoyable encounter, ultimately enriching their relationship and enhancing pleasure for both. Introducing 5 key techniques for effective hand use can significantly enhance pleasure during intimate moments. First, the gentle glide involves soft, sweeping motions that build anticipation and arousal. Second, the targeted touch focuses on sensitive areas, providing direct stimulation that can lead to heightened pleasure. Third, the rhythmic pulse creates a steady pattern, allowing for a consistent flow of sensations. Fourth, the exploratory caress encourages curiosity, inviting partners to discover what feels best. Lastly, the playful tease adds an element of fun and surprise. Throughout these techniques, consent and communication are paramount. Always check in with your partner. Practicing these moves and being attentive to their responses will foster a more connected and enjoyable experience. Warming up before intimate touch is essential for enhancing the overall experience. Teasing plays a crucial role in this process, as it builds anticipation and heightens sensitivity, making every touch feel more electrifying. This gradual approach allows partners to connect emotionally and physically, setting the stage for deeper intimacy. Physiologically, warming up increases blood flow to erogenous zones, which can amplify pleasure and responsiveness. By taking the time to explore each other's bodies gently, partners can discover what feels best before moving to direct stimulation. Encouraging patience and exploration not only enhances sensitivity, but also fosters a stronger bond, leading to a more satisfying and enjoyable intimate experience for both partners. When it comes to external stimulation, Employing gentle, exploratory movements is key to enhancing pleasure. Start with soft caresses, allowing your fingers to glide over sensitive areas, which helps to awaken the body's sensory nerves gradually. This slow approach not only builds anticipation but also allows your partner to acclimate to the sensations, making each touch more impactful. As you explore, pay close attention to your partner's reactions. Their body language and verbal cues will provide valuable guidance on what feels best. By being attuned to their responses, you can adjust your technique accordingly, ensuring a more satisfying and intimate experience that fosters deeper connection and enjoyment for both partners. Rhythm plays a crucial role in intimate touch, as a consistent tempo can significantly enhance pleasure for both partners. Establishing a steady rhythm creates a sense of flow, allowing sensations to build and intensify over time. It's important to explore different rhythms to discover what works best for your partner, as preferences can vary widely. Encouraging open communication during these intimate moments is essential. Discussing what feels good and adjusting accordingly fosters a deeper connection. By being attentive to your partner's responses and maintaining a rhythm that resonates with them, you can create a more satisfying experience that heightens pleasure and strengthens your bond, making intimacy even more enjoyable. In summary, understanding and connecting with your partner is essential for fostering intimacy and enhancing pleasure in your relationship. By exploring techniques, communicating openly, and being attentive to each other's needs, you can create a more fulfilling experience for both partners. Remember, intimacy is a journey that improves with practice and care, allowing you to deepen your bond over time. We encourage you to engage with us by liking, commenting, and subscribing for more insightful content on intimacy and relationships. Your feedback and participation are invaluable as we continue to explore these important topics together. Let's embark on this journey of connection and growth, enhancing our intimate experiences along the way.